again, on my bike, one hand, Sherwood Forest. Alright, the woods are very good people. They raise fish, do nothing but good here. They carve, they help out. This is the woods forest, right here. Everything is budding. It's that time of year. It's the first time it's sunny. It feels so good. The sun feels so good. See the crick? Oh God, this is gonna hurt. Go deer, run up and down this leg. Look how beautiful. They might be here too. Share with us. Oh, still running around. Oh, you might hear. Oh. Where'd they go? They're everywhere. Listen for the coyotes. Listen for the coyotes. I'm on my bike in the woods. I got a little bit. If you listen close, you'll hear the coyotes. They start real low. Ooh, look. It's only when the siren. Listen. Somebody's looking at me. Sherwood Forest. Sherwood Forest. Check it out. Right there. Bye-bye. It's kind of hard camera. Listen close. Look here. Look at that tail right there. Hey, come back here. Took my wallet. Yo, lady. Oh, ow. I'm gonna get bit by something. Oh, it's a little muddy still, so it's hard biking back here, but you gotta see this, man. It's beautiful. The woods. Oh, Jesus. Look at the size of these prints. Big, big, huge. Deer somewhere. I'm stuck. Oh, ow. AAA, call AAA. They say. Alright, this is about as far as I'm gonna be able to ride. Sherwood Forest. Yes, Chaz Wood, Mike Wood, Carver. All live back here somewhere. In this happy land. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the? Ah! Oh God, it's pterodactyl. 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 I can't turn around anymore. You guys seen that? Look at it. It's still going. It's coming over the top. Oh shit, pterodactyl. I hope I can get it. Pterodactyl. I told you they were here. Did you see that? Fucking pterodactyl. That's my mouth. This is Sherwood Forest. I was only kidding. What the hell's next? Some crazy shit going on here. I don't know if I can ride anymore. I'll try. Something happens. It's all your fault, goddamn audience. They demand more and more. Ow, 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 ow. This is the same spot where pterodactyl is. I heard it before. What's that? Something coming in. What's that noise? Oh man, what the frick? Some sick sand. Sand in the middle. Damn far. Oh. 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 Sand. Sand. Beautiful. Oh. Oh. Sneak up on the coyote. Wind blowing at me. It's the only time I won't be able to see this. But this is sand. Shit. I got my own beat. There's my bike. Don't mess with my bike. They said it was a girl's bike, but it's a man's bike. I'm riding it. What the hell is that right there watching me? A told you there's some weird shit going on here. What the hell is it? Let's go a little step. And there's a goddamn coyote. I'm gonna shut it off and then start it again. I don't know why. Different episode or some kind of shit commercial.